Did you see Andrew's cinnamon challenge? He's like, got my cinnamon, got my spoon, got my water, got my puke bucket. I'm like, my fuck puke bucket.
Okay, you think that's getting us?
I don't know. If you just like, what is?
Hate you.
Do you remember the first time you did this?
Huh?
Do you remember the first time you did this?
Yep.
In the summer?
No, that wasn't the first time.
Oh, well, it's funny.
First time I did it was with my Uncle Matt.
Wait. Oh, yeah.
Okay, I'm not doing a lot. Ugh, this is so disgusting, Caitlin. You don't even have any idea. Let me do it.
Okay. Dude. Hey, I'm not doing a lot if you want it.
I know, I'm just going to give you the same amount as I have.
That's pretty.
Okay. The rules are you have to swallow this, you have to eat this and swallow it, no drinks, no water, no nothing. Okay?
That's stupid.
1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, do it.
Oh, hold on. You gotta stop laughing. Okay,
One.
you're gonna do 2, right?
Yes. 1, 2, 3.
Do it!
1, 2, 3.
Shit. Okay. Oh.
Come on, baby. No, can't do it. Ah!
So gross. Ew. Ew, you look like a shit.
I can't do it. I never can do it.
You got like snow in your hair.
Okay. Let's go.
That's nasty. I'm never doing that again.
Let's go get some water.
Oh. Oh my god. That's nasty.
Yeah, you're telling me.